Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
And this is Peyton. We're Our Simple Adventures. We're headed to the Phoenix Zoo. Come along with us.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, we're here. We're finally at the zoo. Yeah, we finally got here after talking about it for years. So what's besides you, what's the first animal we're going to see?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, let's go find out. She has here.
She's not very good at swimming. Hi, guys.
Oh, the turtle.
So you're looking at a radiated tortoise. These guys get that name because of those really pretty yellow lines that come off of her shell. So these guys get that name because it looks like these sun rays or the sunbeams.
Oh, a condor.
There's two of them up here.
See that big huge bird right there? Peyton, right up there. That's a condor. That's
the
huge.
one up high?
See
The
it?
one up, oh, look at. Ooh. No, fences all around.
It's okay. You can't get out. Oh, look at that.
I saw their wings like blue.
Over here. And there's a big one sitting on top of the pole too. You see it way up there? Way in there? Yeah, looking.
Well, that's pretty cool. You got lucky. I came down here to see you. Came down to see you.
Edge to edge of the sign.
Stand underneath it and put your arms out. Let's see how big your wings.
Let me get a picture of you with your.
Whoa. That's good.
Wait a minute.
No, get a picture. Well, he could probably carry you away. This one's hiding from you too, isn't it? The mountain lion.
Oh, here it comes. There Peyton, take a look. Peyton, you can see it over here.
That's the air.
There it goes. It's moving. Sorry.
Now he's back on that side.
Oh, why? Oh.
Viper, do you see Mystic?
It's a big cat, isn't it?
That's a
And
big cat.
it just
Oh,
went
look.
through there.
He's climbing up the rocks.
We were on this swing today.
Wow. Okay. Hi.
Hi. These guys can sprint up to 60 miles an hour and 40 miles per hour for 30 minutes.
Really?
So
Wow.
they're long distance runners, 40 miles an hour.
Yeah. How many are in here? Pronghorn.
There's usually 3, but they rotate them evidently, and I'm not sure about that.
So just one right now.
Right, just the one out here right now.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
Uh-huh. Have a good day.
You too.
Coyote.
Coyote.
Oh, that's kind of a little one.
Yeah, kinda.
Whoa.
Yeah. It's over here. See the bald eagle?
That's kind of that's the
That's
same eagle like I saw at my school.
That's a pretty bird, isn't it?
So it says that these bald eagles are injured and they can't fly, Peyton. So that's why they're in here. They can't fly and get their own food anymore.
They've been rescued.
So so now the Phoenix Zoo takes care of them.
See that? That's a rover.
Put it down.
See that roadrunner up there?
No,
Look at that big roadrunner.
I saw it.
Dude, this owl's sleeping on one leg.
See that little owl right there standing on one foot?
That's funny.
Yeah.
I see it away.
Kinda. One eye is open, one eye is closed.
It was just because it turned.
See these right there?
There's a turtle. Yeah.
And another
Yeah, these lizards are active. Iguanas.
No, come look at it. This is real. You can't touch it. I like tarantulas. I love tarantulas.
How about over here, Peyton? Peyton, over this way.
Gila monsters, that's a big one. Bearded lizard. That is big. He's eating the bark or the leaves up there.
Look how big it is.
I know. And it's trying to eat. I'm up there.
Now they got it blocked off.
What?
It's blocked off. Let's go up to the fence. Come up here.
It's already hot.
All right, Pumpkin.
All right. Let's go. It's so hot. That's cool.
You're gonna ride with me. Putting your bag in the car. Okay. Hold on.
I think so.
We can't go up there.
Jay.
The ring was $12.39.
Those are flamingos. Don't know what that was all about. The orangutan village. It just goes right back around. Where's the orangutan? Here, orangutan.
Which way? This one?
Is that a big monkey?
Looking at you.
I like big monkeys.
That's orangutan. What's he got? Is he chewing on? Is that his tongue, or was he eating something?
Yeah, that's what he's doing. I don't really know what it is. I want to put face cap.
I don't think I
They're looking at those people in there. Let's go in there.
Okay, they're back now.
You can go in there. Go ahead.
Where'd you go?
We do take volunteers. I don't know right now.
Peyton, you kind of buzzed your line.
One set.
I think we'll get a line here. Yeah, these are. Look at the colors of this one here too. What the heck?
That just scared me.
Me too.
That just.
Oh, look in this one.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, Placed our shadows among the pines, so offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around.
See the claws in that thing, Peyton? Over to you.
You don't like that, Peyton?
Do you see it?
Who's got slobber hanging out of his mouth?
Oh, scratching.
That's funny.
Guess they get itches too, huh?
Tacky.
That's all it has.
I want to see it up here.
One-horned rhinoceros. I thought there was.
I want to see up here.
Is there other ones?
You might be able to see it. Yeah, there's some of that two horns.
There we got a tiger. What do you think of that? Isn't that cool? Shoot, I missed that.
And here it comes again. Taylor, Peyton, look
Yeah, that's crazy. We finally found the monkeys, didn't we?
Well, these are the different monkeys.
No, these are the same ones. They're just not swinging around anymore.
Well, we kind of saw them climbing around. Looks like they're resting.
They,
And just chewing. With literally with this ice your hand if you want to. Which one do you want to do?
I think this one wants you to pet him. Go ahead. Aren't you gonna pet?
Standing up. Take that. Alright, what about look at that little one right
Don't be baby brownie. I meant like it's a bonus.
I'll do a real quick.
Here you go, Jay.
You could have done it.
Oh, I didn't know you had it on.
Now we got our farm girl. Hee-haw. Okay, wow. What are you doing?
I'm milking the cow.
Milking a cow.
You could pull the whole thing.
Yeah. Okay, you guys. Yeah, we just got back to Bear here. Well, we were there for 4 hours. We are tired out. Did you have fun, Peyton? Yes, good.
I think her eyes are going to close even before we leave the parking lot.
I think so too, and mine might too. All right, love you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Pretty decent zoo. Beautiful day. It's like the first weekend with a decent temperature, low 70s. It's been 2 weekends ago. It was
I think everyone was
105.
out.
Yeah. Anyway, love you guys. Hit that like hit the like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn on notifications so you know when we publish a video. Bye.